I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the time on your Fitbit Versa 4. The Versa 4 typically synchronizes its time automatically with your paired smartphone. First, confirm that your phone's date and time settings are correct. Then, simply open the Fitbit application on your phone. This action should prompt your Fitbit to sync, updating its time to match your phone's current settings within a few moments. If the time is still incorrect, try a manual sync. In the Fitbit app, pull down on the main dashboard screen to force a synchronization. Also, double-check your phone's Bluetooth settings to ensure it is turned on. Your Versa 4 needs a strong Bluetooth connection to communicate with your phone, so keep the devices within a few feet of each other for optimal syncing. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve syncing issues. To restart your Fitbit Versa 4, press and hold the physical button on the side for about 10 seconds until you see the Fitbit logo. Additionally, restart your smartphone. Once both devices have rebooted, open the Fitbit app again. This process often refreshes the connection and allows the time to update correctly. Finally, verify your time zone settings in the Fitbit app. Go to your account, then App Settings, and ensure Set Automatically is enabled for your time zone. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then back on. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Fitbit application on your phone. This can resolve deeper software conflicts, allowing your Versa 4 to sync its time accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.